You're getting ready for bed. Flip on the bathroom light and something small shoots across the floor and vanishes behind the toilet. It moved fast, low to the ground, and almost looked like it was swimming. That was a silverfish, and if you saw one, there are almost certainly more hiding nearby. By the end of this video, you'll know why silverfish show up in your bathroom, what they're actually doing in there, and how to get rid of them using cheap, natural methods you can start today. Silverfish are not dangerous. They don't bite, they don't carry disease, and they won't damage your walls or structure. But they are a warning sign. Dr. Michael Potter, an entomologist at the University of Kentucky, put it plainly. Silverfish are a sign of a humid environment and often indicate more extensive moisture issues nearby. So while the insect itself isn't the threat, what it tells you about your home absolutely matters. Let's start with the insect itself, because knowing what you're looking for makes everything else easier. Silverfish are wingless, nocturnal insects, roughly half an inch long. Their bodies taper from head to tail, shaped something like a teardrop or a carrot. Their scales are silver gray, which gives them that metallic shimmer you notice when light hits them. At the front, they have 2 long antennae. At the back, 3 thin bristles trail behind them. When they move, they wriggle side to side in a motion that actually looks like a fish swimming. That's where the name comes from. Their scientific name is Lepisma saccharina. The second part, saccharina, refers to sugar, which hints at their diet. Silverfish feed on carbohydrates, specifically starches and sugars found in paper, glue, wallpaper paste, book bindings, and even certain pantry foods. In a bathroom, they're drawn to the moisture, but they'll also feed on the paper in cardboard boxes, soap residue, or any organic debris that collects in corners and under cabinets. One thing worth knowing, silverfish are ancient. They've been found preserved in ancient Egyptian tombs, which means they have lived alongside humans for thousands of years and are very good at adapting to the spaces we build. Some individuals can live up to 8 years under the right conditions. That resilience is part of why they're so common in homes across the United States. Estimates from pest control providers suggest roughly 1 in 3 homes in the United States may have silverfish. They're not rare. You are not alone in finding one. Now, where exactly are they hiding in your bathroom? Silverfish love dark, damp, undisturbed spaces. Check under the sink cabinet first. The pipes create humidity, and any cardboard stored under there gives them shelter and food. They also hide behind baseboards, inside wall gaps around pipes, under bathroom mats that stay damp, inside stacks of magazines or paper left near the toilet, and in the corners of closets and linen storage near the bathroom. They are nocturnal, so most of what they do happens after you turn the lights off at night. Now let's get into what actually works to remove them. The first treatment is diatomaceous earth. This is a fine white powder made from fossilized algae. It's completely natural and non-toxic to humans and pets when used properly. What it does to silverfish is mechanical, not chemical. The sharp microscopic edges of diatomaceous earth cut through the insect's outer layer, causing it to dry out and die. Silverfish cannot build resistance to it the way they can to some chemical sprays. Apply a thin dusting of food-grade diatomaceous earth along the baseboards in your bathroom, around the perimeter under the sink cabinet, and in any corner or crevice where you've spotted activity. The word thin is important here. A heavy pile won't work as well as a light, barely visible layer. Silverfish need to walk through it to be affected. Reapply after cleaning or if the area gets wet, since moisture reduces its effectiveness. The second natural method is a cedar oil barrier. Silverfish have a strong aversion to the scent of cedar. Cedar oil disrupts their ability to navigate and drives them away from treated areas. You can find cedar oil at most hardware or natural grocery stores, and it's inexpensive. Mix it with water in a spray bottle and apply it along door frames, closet edges, and baseboard lines. This won't kill silverfish on contact the way diatomaceous earth does, but it creates a scent boundary that makes treated areas much less appealing. Cedar blocks or cedar sachets placed in linen closets and under sink cabinets work the same way over a longer period. These methods are safe to use in enclosed bathroom spaces and won't leave harmful residue. Now for the most important step of all, and the one most people skip: humidity control. Silverfish do not just wander in from outside. They stay and reproduce in your home because the conditions support them. A damp bathroom gives them everything they need. Without moisture, Silverfish populations collapse on their own over time. Run your bathroom exhaust fan during showers and for at least 15 to 20 minutes after. If your bathroom doesn't have a working fan, a small dehumidifier in that room makes a real difference. Fix any dripping pipes under the sink right away. Even slow drips keep the area damp enough to sustain a population. Check the caulk around your tub and sink. Gaps in caulk allow moisture to seep into walls where silverfish hide and where mold can grow. Prevention keeps them from coming back. Store paper products, extra toilet paper rolls, and cardboard boxes off the bathroom floor and away from damp areas. Vacuum baseboards and corners regularly to remove debris that silverfish feed on. Seal gaps around pipes where they enter the wall using caulk or foam sealant. Keep bathroom clutter to a minimum, since piles of fabric or paper give silverfish places to hide and breed undisturbed. Some pest control professionals point out that natural remedies alone may not eliminate a severe, long-standing infestation. And they're right in those cases. If you've applied these methods consistently for several weeks and still see regular activity, calling a professional for a targeted treatment may be the faster solution. Integrated pest management approaches now offered by many services combine natural and chemical options, responding to growing demand from homeowners who want effective treatment without heavy chemical exposure. But for most bathrooms in most homes, the combination of diatomaceous earth, cedar oil, and real humidity control will clear up the problem without spending much money at all. Silverfish are old, adaptable, and surprisingly common, but they do have a weakness. They need moisture to survive. Take that away, block their paths with cedar oil, and treat active areas with diatomaceous earth, and your bathroom stops being a habitat and starts being just a bathroom again.